You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this curious name. It comes from French, obviously, and yes, the spelling makes it super confusing, but it's actually pretty easy once you know French pronunciation. Thibault. Thibault, so TH in French is just a T. The H essentially never does anything in French. Why is that? Let me know in the comments. What? Thibault. AU in French is like O, the letter O, and then the L and the T at the end are silent too. So it's just Thibault. In French, there's no stress on any particular syllable. So in English, Thibault. Thibault. From French, Thibault. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.